Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for that? In this video, we will look at some of the on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Yonex EZONE 100L. Experience unmatched performance and effortless power with the Yonex EZONE 100L 285G 2022 tennis racket, designed for players of all skill levels seeking precision, speed, and comfort on the court. Crafted from high-quality graphite, this racket combines durability with a lightweight design, weighing only 285 grams, allowing for quick swings and enhanced maneuverability. Its 100-square-inch head provides a generous sweet spot for accurate shots, making it ideal for both aggressive baseline play and tactical net approaches. The racket's 4 1/8 grip size ensures a secure hold, reducing fatigue during long rallies and providing excellent control over each stroke. Yonex's cutting-edge isometric head shape maximizes the sweet spot, offering consistent power and forgiveness even on off-center hits. The graphite frame and shaft deliver a balanced blend of strength and flexibility, allowing for precise shot placement while maintaining comfort and reducing vibration. Whether you are a competitive adult player or a recreational enthusiast, the EZONE 100L provides the versatility needed to elevate your game. Its modern design, coupled with Yonex's advanced technology, enhances your confidence on every swing. Lightweight yet powerful, this racket is perfect for improving speed, spin, and accuracy while maintaining effortless control. Upgrade your tennis experience with the Yonex EZONE 100L 285G 2022 tennis racket and feel the difference in your performance, shot after shot. Step onto the court with precision, power, and unmatched comfort. Number 2. Babolat Pure Drive 110T. Elevate your game with the Babolat Pure Drive 110 tennis racket, 10th gen, engineered for players who demand power, precision, and comfort in every swing. This high-performance racket features a 110-square-inch head, offering an enlarged sweet spot that provides consistent power and forgiveness on off-center shots, making it perfect for intermediate to advanced players seeking extra confidence on the court. Pre-strung with 16G Babolat gut strings at mid-range tension, this racket delivers a perfect balance of control, spin, and feel right out of the box. The mid-range tension ensures optimum responsiveness while enhancing stability, allowing you to generate power without sacrificing accuracy. Its 4 1/8 inches grip size ensures a secure, comfortable hold, reducing fatigue during extended rallies and enabling precise control over each stroke. The 10th generation Pure Drive incorporates Babolat's signature technologies to improve ball speed and spin potential while minimizing vibration. Its lightweight yet durable design promotes easy maneuverability, making aggressive shots effortless while maintaining control for defensive play. The modern white string style adds a sleek, professional look to your equipment. Whether you're powering through baseline rallies, attacking the net, or mastering spin shots, the Babolat Pure Drive 110 combines innovation, comfort, and style to help elevate your tennis performance. Perfect for adults of all skill levels who want a versatile, high-powered racket, this model is ready to enhance your game from practice to match play. Step onto the court with the Babolat Pure Drive 110, 10th gen, and experience precision, power, and confidence in every swing. Number 3. Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen Tennis Racket. Dominate the court with the Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen Tennis Racket, meticulously designed for advanced players seeking ultimate spin, power, and precision. Inspired by the style and performance of Rafael Nadal, this racket combines cutting-edge technology with a lightweight, responsive design to elevate your game. Crafted from high-quality graphite for both the frame and shaft, it ensures durability, flexibility, and exceptional energy transfer with every swing. Weighing just 289 grams, the Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen allows for quick, agile movements while maintaining control over aggressive shots. Its 4 3/8 inches grip provides a secure and comfortable hold, reducing fatigue during long rallies and enabling precise stroke execution. The racket's aerodynamic frame enhances swing speed and ball spin, giving you the competitive edge for topspin-heavy shots and fast baseline rallies. Perfectly balanced for advanced skill levels, this racket offers a combination of power, spin, and stability, ideal for players who demand high-performance equipment. The graphite construction delivers consistent response while dampening vibrations for comfort and control, even during intense matches. Whether you are attacking the net, mastering topspin, or controlling long baseline rallies, the Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen tennis racket provides the versatility and precision to dominate play. Engineered for adults who play at a high level, it's the ultimate racket for elevating your performance and refining your technique. Step onto the court with confidence and unleash your full potential with the Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen, designed to empower your every stroke with unmatched spin, power, and control. I can also create Amazon-optimized bullet points for this racket to make the listing more compelling. Number 4. Wilson Blade 98. Elevate your tennis game with the Wilson Blade 98 16x19 V9 unstrung performance tennis racket, engineered for advanced players who demand precision, power, and control. Built with a premium combination of braided graphite and basalt in both the frame and shaft, this racket offers exceptional stability, responsiveness, and durability, ensuring consistent performance match after match. Weighing 305 grams, the Blade 98 V9 provides a perfect balance of strength and maneuverability, enabling fast swings and precise shot placement. Its 16x19 string pattern enhances spin potential while maintaining control over aggressive baseline and net play. Designed for serious adult players, the 4 3/8 inches grip size delivers a secure, comfortable hold, reducing fatigue during long rallies and ensuring accurate wrist and hand movement for every stroke. The unstrung design allows players to customize string type and tension according to personal preference, offering tailored performance for topspin, power, or precision. Wilson's advanced technology in the V9 series improves vibration dampening and frame stability, giving you confidence on every shot. Perfect for competitive and high-level recreational players, the Wilson Blade 98 V9 combines modern innovation with classic feel, allowing you to dominate baseline rallies, execute sharp angles, and control the pace of the game. Its sleek design and high-performance materials make it a standout choice for players serious about their tennis. Step onto the court with the Wilson Blade 98 16x19 V9 unstrung tennis racket and experience unmatched control, spin, and power that elevates your game to the next level. I can also create Amazon-optimized bullet points to make the listing more appealing and boost visibility. Number 5. Head 2022 Speed. Take your tennis game to the next level with the Head 2022 Speed MP tennis racket, designed to provide a perfect combination of power, control, and comfort for players of all skill levels. Featuring graphite 360+ technology in both the frame and shaft, this racket delivers a responsive feel with added stability, enhancing energy transfer on every swing. Its lightweight design, at just 11.1 ounces, ensures easy maneuverability and fast reaction times during intense rallies. The 1/2 size racket with a 4.5 inches grip provides a secure and comfortable hold, reducing fatigue while allowing precise control over each shot. Its modern white finish adds a sleek and professional look to your equipment, making it visually striking on the court. The racket's versatile design suits players of all levels, from beginners learning the fundamentals to advanced players executing precise baseline or net shots. With a balanced frame and graphite shaft, the Head 2022 Speed MP offers both power and spin potential, helping players hit deep, accurate strokes and maintain control during fast-paced rallies. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the ergonomically designed grip maximizes comfort for extended practice sessions or competitive matches. Whether you are improving your technique, enhancing your spin, or delivering powerful serves, the Head 2022 Speed MP tennis racket provides the ideal combination of performance, comfort, and style. Step onto the court with confidence and experience a racket engineered to elevate every aspect of your tennis game. If you want, I can also create Amazon-optimized bullet points to make this listing more compelling.